Hey everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here to do this unboxing with me. I just did another video on an unboxing from Jomar. So if you see that newer posting, please feel free to check that out. I'm Sandra. I'm at lovinglife_7. I'm on Poshmark. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Macari, Depop, and I'm on selling on eBay. I sell jewelry and I sell some used but mainly brand new tags pieces. I just started my business about 4 months ago and everything is going so well. We are so pleased and thank you so much for the opportunity to serve you with these great products. I apologize, we have recovered from a nasty cold, but we're doing so much better and we're excited because we had some family just move into town, so we've got my daughter, son-in-law, and 2 older grandkids living here now. So we have been very, very busy the last month, with Christmas also just around the corner for a few weeks now. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. So the birth of Jesus, and I just love the lights and the colors, and it's just such a beautiful spirited time. So I'm just so glad to be doing this unboxing. We've got some great pieces in here. I've already actually listed a few pieces in here because they're great Christmas pieces and fall pieces. But we're going to go ahead and go through and do this unboxing because there's like 40 items in here. These are about $5 roughly a piece. This was through a company called liquidation.com. Got a great deal on this box. I ordered a previous box from them a few weeks ago and I was so pleased with the items I got. They had more of these boxes, so I went ahead and purchased another one. I've already kind of been through this myself, so we're going to do this unboxing and kind of know what's in here. Super happy with the items that I got in this box. Let's dive in and see what we have, you guys. We had some really fantastic, beautiful sweaters in this box, which is one of the reasons why I got it. And I love the fact that a lot of the pieces are very unique. Some of the liquidation companies you can buy from, they have multiples of the same thing. I've really been enjoying Jomar and this liquidation company that I purchased from because the pieces aren't duplicates. They're unique pieces and they're not like something you'd see at a Target all the time. But anyway, let's go through these. These are more boutique pieces. This is Ultra Flirt. It's a super cute sweater top with a knot at the bottom. This was a size extra large. I almost wish that was my size. It's so, so cute. This is a really pretty soft velvet shirt. It's a burgundy color. It's got blue buttons down it. This is also, this is by American Rag. It's a size extra small, super soft, velvet cute top. This is, I'm so excited to get these items listed, you guys. This is such a great box. This is a really cute floral top with a detail of the silver chain here. It's a size large by BCX. It does have the lining on it. Very cute top for pretty much any occasion. And I'm going to get the items that are kind of Christmassy listed as soon as I can this next week so that if anybody wants to purchase last minute, we do ship, like I said previously, same or next day. If you order from me and purchase in the morning, it does go out in the afternoon because I send things out in the afternoon. If you order from me the night before, it goes out that next day. If you order from me in the afternoon, it usually goes out the next day. So I am trying to get more of the Christmassy stuff listed now so that you still get it before Christmas. High-rise skinny jeans. These are, it says 25, which I'm not sure what that means in 25. I'm going to presume that's waist size. So those are those, and this is by William Rast. I better get going because we have a few pieces to get through here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Kiss Me Ankled Skinny Jeans. These are by Jessica Simpson. Yeah, Jessica Simpson, size 14 waist. These are pretty, kind of a burgundy color. Super cute. And this has, it says Grateful Dead on it. It's got teddy bears on it. It's a gray sweatshirt, super cute and comfortable. This is by Love Tribe. It's a size medium. And this is such a cute little top. It's a floral print top. It's got a It says Roxy on the back of it, just like a little detail there. This is by Roxy. This is a Macy's shirt. It's got ties here, so I think this ties off. Really cute top, so we'll get that listed. This is kind of like the fabric that you would get from, I'm trying to think, Long John's. This has the fabric of like a Long John shirt, and it's floral. This is by Polly and Esther. Really, really cute shirt. It's got the ruffling on the bottom. Super adorable. This is by Pink Rose, a size medium. Another kind of like a sweater top, a knit sweater top with the knot at the bottom. I'm noticing the knots on the bottom waist have been so popular. This was a unique piece by William Past. It's a snakeskin print. It's gray, dark gray with a snakeskin print. And this is the size 26 waist. Sculpted high rise. So we'll get those listed after we get the fall stuff listed. These are, it says Kristen C, but it also says M1858. I've never heard of that before, but these are skinny jeans, size 2. So there's that. And then we have another really cute, unique top with a little detail here by Freshman. It's a size small. Super cute sleeves. Again, I love how unique these clothes are. Really pretty lace detail. This is by Hippie Rose. Another really cute, unique floral top. A really pretty lace top by American Eagle. This is a white top. And I will have to double check this. I don't believe it had any issues with it because white does, oh, that's right, it had some things on it. So I'm not sure, I may just note that in the pictures, but this is a super pretty size small top. And then we have, I believe this was a pantsuit. This is a knit pantsuit. And it is by American Rag. It's an extra small. So that's cute. Super cute, and it's got some gathering on the sleeves there. It's got the adjustable waist. Very, very cute, unique piece. And then a BCX striped shirt, obviously with lining. Very cute. This is a size small. Great pieces even for like work. Another cute, again, this is like the Long John fabric by polyester, but a different, it's just a solid pink, solid blue. That's a size medium. And then we have here by Selfie, a really cute striped top. It's a knit top, very comfortable. Actually, this is not a top, it's a bodysuit. So that would be perfect to go with like jeans or whatever, or a skirt. Really, really cute pink top. Again, it's a knit top by Hippie Rose. Super adorable with the ruching in the front. Very cute. Such cute pieces. And then we have another floral top. This is kind of like a crop top with buttons up down the front. Now this, I don't know if it actually unbuttons. Nope, it's just detail. It does not actually unbutton. This is a pullover top. This is just detail, again with the knot on the bottom, and it's got the cute shoulders, and so that's super cute. Another really pretty knit top. This is purple with the knot, again really pretty. Hippie Rose, size large. That's a pretty purple too. Beautiful cardigan. There was a couple cardigans in here that were so pretty. By Hippie Rose, size large. I love the knitting on this. It's just, you can wear this with pretty much any top, wear it around the house or just for an extra layer at work or whatever. Another little top, I found that a lot of girls like these tops. I've gotten a lot of inquiries on them. This is by Rewash, and I'm trying to figure out what size it is. Size small. Really pretty. It kind of looks like it's a tie-dye, very light, maybe tie-dye. If it is tie-dye, it's a very light tie-dye. Yeah, it's a little bit of a tie-dye. So, and it's a gathered bodice. So that'll be cute. Another really cute striped top. Just the button detail, it's really sweet. This is by Hippie Rose, a size large. I have a few more pieces, so I'm trying to go quickly for you guys so the video is not too long. This has, it's a burgundy, it's got silver stripes in it with detail on the front. This is Gypsy and Moon Dust, size large, super cute top. Oh, these tops are so cute. I know I keep saying super cute top. I love shirts that have hoodies. This is a really cute top. It's like a sweater knit top with a hoodie. It's got some snap detail by Hippie Rose. This is a size large. I love shirts like that. And this was a jumper, so super cute. This was by Tinsel Town, size medium, so adorable. Very, very cute. I can't wait to list that one too. And then we have American Rag, a really cute extra small plaid shirt with button down. And then we have some jeans. Articles of Society. I've sold so many pairs of jeans on mine. These are boot cut. They're actually kind of like a flare boot cut. So I do sell quite a few jeans. And then we have another super soft, I love this piece, by Hippie Rose. This is a size, what size was this? Extra small, and it's got the adjustable hemline to it. This is so soft, you guys. It's got a crew neckline, so cute. It would be so perfect for this time of year to just bundle up in. This is a extra large, adjustable with lace. Cute top, double extra large by American Rag. And then we have another sweater, small by Hippie Rose. Another really soft sweater, a really pretty pink, like a rose pink. Another cute top, it's floral. Looks like it has some ruffling detail, some lace detail, so cute. This is by Planet and Gold, size extra large. I love the variety of sizing too. It's not all just like mediums or smalls. This is by Hooked Up. The gray has some silver detailing in it. It's a size medium. Really cute little top. I love, again, I was just saying, the sizing. It's the variety of clothing, the variety of sizing. I was so happy with this box. This is a size medium by Billabong with a G. And these are really cute floral pants. I've sold a few pairs of the dressy flowing wide leg pants. I've sold a few of those. Polly and Esther, size extra large. This is again kind of like a stretchy lounge. My brain's just skipping. Anyway, very comfortable. Another one with the trim, and this is white flowers on black. I'm trying to, the long john knitted type of fabric. Very, very comfortable. Another beautiful cardigan. Like I said, we had a couple of them in here. By Hippie Rose, size medium. Super pretty olive color that can go with anything. Just a few more pieces, you guys. Another one of those really cute tops with the ruching. Really pretty pink floral. But this is by Crave Fame. This one is a size medium. Almost done. And this one is by Hooked Up, size medium. Another great sweater knit top. Beautiful burgundy color. Oh, and this one too, I loved it. I almost wished it was my size. It's got the really cute detail on the sleeves. Super cute. I love things like that. Adds just a little bit of a flair to it. Another top by Hippie Rose, an extra large with some ruffling. And it's an off shoulder, has some button detail down the front. Really cute. That's a, it looks like it's a black color. And last but not least, this was kind of like a wrap that you would put on a shirt, over another shirt. Really cute piece. It's kind of like, it's a floral print, see-through, button down all the way. You can wear this over any solid shirt with some jeans or leggings or skirt. Really super cute top. This is by American Rag, and it is a size medium. So again, if you like any of these pieces, you guys, please feel free to check out my Poshmark, LoveandLife_7. Haven't been posting on Instagram much lately just because we've been so busy and sick. I just haven't had the energy. I've been focused, even though we were so sick last month, we had a great month last month. And my focus was basically just on getting items listed to sell them. So I'm going to be more active on Instagram. But that is that box, you guys. I do have 2 more boxes that have sweaters in them coming from Jomar. I'm waiting for them to get here. When they get here, we'll do that unboxing. Again, thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Christmas is only a few weeks away, and I'm so excited. Like I said, I love Christmas. So we're going to get this going, and I'm going to get some more things listed. And again, thank you so much for the opportunity to serve you guys, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video. I do have other video ideas. Since we've been so sick, I just haven't been around to them. But I do have some other topics I'm going to be discussing besides unboxings as well. Again, this was through the liquidation company, and we will get around to those probably next month. I'm excited to be doing those. I have some other, I work with Vendu and just some other things that I do with my other platforms and just, how I do things. So there's going to be other different topic videos coming out too. So again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.